Psalm 36. In your light we see light. In a world where many live as if God does not exist, Psalm 36 opens with a hard truth. There are hearts with no fear of God, lips full of lies, and lives that no longer care about what is good. Sin is not only what we do, it is what we love, what we excuse, and what we secretly plan in the dark. But then David looks up. Thy mercy, O Lord, is in the heavens, and thy faithfulness reacheth unto the clouds. Thy righteousness is like the great mountains. Thy judgments are a great deep. Above every war, every betrayal, every broken promise, stands a God whose mercy is higher than the sky, whose faithfulness never fails. His righteousness is unmovable, and his wisdom is deeper than any ocean. He quietly preserves both man and beast. Nothing is outside his care. How excellent is thy loving kindness, O God! Therefore the children of men put their trust under the shadow of thy wings. God is not only powerful, he is our safe place. Like little children, we can run under his wings and rest. In his presence, we are not barely surviving, we are deeply satisfied. They shall be abundantly satisfied with the fatness of thy house, and thou shalt make them drink of the river of thy pleasures. Where the world leaves us empty, God offers a river that never runs dry. He is not a distant judge. He is the fountain of life. For with thee is the fountain of life. In thy light shall we see light. When we walk with him, his light reveals the truth about our lives. We begin to see ourselves, our pain, our future, and even our enemies differently. In his light, we see what really matters. So David prays, and we pray with him today. O continue thy loving kindness unto them that know thee, and thy righteousness to the upright in heart. Let not the foot of pride come against me, and let not the hand of the wicked remove me. Lord, keep our hearts humble. Do not let pride push us away from you. Protect us from the plans of the wicked. There are the workers of iniquity fallen. They are cast down and shall not be able to rise. In the end, evil does not win. The proud fall, but those who trust in God remain under his wings, drinking from his fountain, walking in his light. Psalm 36 is a reminder for our generation. When the world is dark, we don't hide our eyes. We lift them to the God whose mercy fills the sky, whose light turns our darkness into a path of hope.